living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen.
SIM card. Sabi ni ate girl, wait tayo ng 5 minutes bago namin gamitin. So, wait lang tayo ng 5 minutes bago natin insert and we'll go to Changi Airport. I mean, Jewel. So, it's a Star Hub. Prepaid SIM card. I book it through Klook. First order of business. Tawagan si Lucas. Saan si Lucas? Hi, baby! Thank you. Ay, hello! Uy, Pogi! We're going to ride a shuttle going to Jewel. There. So there's a free shuttle from Terminal 4 going to Jewel. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Baba tayo, andun si Iron Man. Tingnan mo si Iron Man. Hey, Iron Man. Yeah, syempre gusto mo bumaba, no? Hindi ma-justify ng video. Yung paligid. Hindi ka man nakuha. At least paligid.
Stevens, by the Stevens.
So here's the paligid. We're waiting for our Grab. We're going to Haji Lane. Here.
Namaste, namaste.
There you go. So here's the Arab Street. That's the mosque. Here's the mosque. Right, so we're now, and that's the mosque over there. Here are all Arab foods. We're just walking and walking. No. We're gonna cross the road, and I think it's gonna be going to Haji Lane, I think. In it. So where are we going? There. Daming street food. May mga street food. Keychain.
Yung mga tote bag na.
Oo nga. Balikan natin. Tara. Yan na lahat.
How much this?
Keychain, ref magnets, t-shirts, and tote bags. Dumami na yung nagtagalog. So, cable car tayo. There. So, yes! Riding a cable car. Ayan. Parang dito dati. Doon na, tawid tayo doon. Magkikable car. Babalik tayo.
Ayaw mo ba?
Ayaw ko. Wow! Ah, dyan yung ano, oh. Tapos ang lakas pa ng loob ko. Sabi ko, magganyan tayo. Hindi ko pala kaya. I can't. Grabe ang taas. Cable car. Yan. There. Ah, shit, ang taas. Nakakalula. Pero in fairness, kita mo yung ano, buong Singapore. Sobrang taas niya. Ganun level. Ganun level siya.
Pipili mo na nakikita.
Ayan. That's our view. Pababa tayo. Tapos babalik tayo. Ito yung ayokong feeling yung bumababa lagi. Dito yung ano, yung tatalon ka, bungee jump.
Saan?
Ewan ko.
Sumantry?
Ayoko, hindi ko kaya. Tsaka bawal sa may hydrant. Hi, okay, we're done with the cable car. Next is luge. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko. Taka lang.
The best!
Sinong the best?
Yung sabi ni tatay niya, yung bridge.
Tara daw. Okay, so meron tayong Skyline Luge later at 4 p.m. So, we'll be going to Starbucks muna while waiting for time because right now it's only 2:20 p.m. So, we're here at Madame Tussauds. We're gonna ride a boat daw. Bakit tayo mag-ride ng boat kasi? Hindi ko alam. Para lang, experience. So, we're here.
Leave me alone!
Oo. Sige, wag na kung di mo kaya. Wag na kasi baka nga delikado. Yee! Yan, dyan tayo. Ayun na. Go. Ayun na. Yay! Okay, wala na akong kaba. Charot! Kanina kinakabahan ako, ngayon hindi na. Kaya ko na.
So it's our third day in Singapore.
Ganda! Universal Studios!
process.
It's recording already.
Only one camera.
Your smiling faces are the best weapon against Megatron's fear and intimidation. All right, you two.
Nice camera action.
Let's show this world that you're the power couple we've been waiting for.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go.
How to think.
Halos roller coaster naman.
Ba't walang sound? Ba't may sound?
Hi!
Tingin ka. There's a beer in our table and that calamansi. There's a real beer.
Asan? Ayun. Ay, asan? Ooh, look at that. Marina Bay Sands. Sobrang init. Ayun. Ayun yung Marina Bay Sands. There it is. Tapos, later magpipicture kami sa Merlion Park, of course. And, we'll grab a cup of coffee here sa Starbucks muna. Bago natin tuloy yung day natin today.
Here and there. So this is the famous Lion Park. Let's see if we can grab a picture. Merlion statue. Pati yung Marina Bay na. Ayan, pati yung Marina Bay. Kitang-kita mo yung Marina Bay. Sobrang dami nga ng tao. Pero ako lang kayo nakikita.
Mukha ko lang.
Ayun o, nakikita ka na.
Stranger.
Bilisan mo kasi. Ayun o. Basta dapat ahead ka lagi sa akin.
Going to Flower Dome. So yes guys. Ayan. Oh shit. Nagbubugan niya. Mainit na naman nata. Wow. Ang ganda dito. Bagay sa mga plantita. Yan o. Bagay ito sa mga plantita. Plantito. Ang ganda. We're at Gardens by the Bay.
Yep.
Ayan. Ang lamig dito. Grabe. Ay ano, Flower Dome pala. Flower Dome. Sorry. It's Flower Dome. My bad. Ang lamig. Grabe. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Ang lamig dito. Ano? Ang mag-enjoy dito si Mama. Si Mama mo, si Ate Michelle.
Kaya tika.
Oh my God. Ang ganda dito. Sobra. So, ala. Ang ganda. Wow. Look at that. Dito maganda. Ang ganda dito. Grabe. Hello. Wow, grabe. Sobrang ganda here. How I wish the video could justify kung gaano kaganda to. Pero sobrang ganda. Ang lamig pa. Sobrang ganda. Ang lamig ng lugar. Grabe. siya? Ah, ito pala. Ayun siya sa baba.
video, take a photo as we go through, but
Babe, tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Secret Garden. Okay, guys. Nasa Marina Bay tayo. Wow. Just wow. Saan tayo, babe? Trash can ba, babe? Wow. Look at that.
Lang, tapos parang ang dami ng pwesto doon eh, kako. Kaya ayoko na lumipat kasi baka mawalan pa tayong pwesto. Sa taas naman, nakapwesto na sa kanila sila lahat.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm